To our dear parents and guardians, fellow graduates, completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, an achieving and fulfilling day to all. Graduation is one of those awkward times in our lives when we are torn between joy of our memories and the excitement of our future. We've been patiently waiting for this day after 7 long years, and now we just want to savor the moment. We want to slow it down and enjoy the last fleeting moments. Our lives will be forever altered after we receive our certificates today. I am sure that we all agree that this day is definitely not an ordinary. Today features another milestone in our lives as graduates. It is a day to celebrate, acknowledge, and to mourn. A celebration because after 7 long years of hardships, acquiring our basic education, we are now ready to move forward, one step higher in the ladder of our quest to the greater level of education. The next step of academic life, high school. Acknowledge because today is the day we need to acknowledge the people beyond our success. It is a fantastic achievement for each of us who have made it here today. Our parents and guardians are here to support us as they always have. We are truly grateful and delighted for your presence in this occasion. Today is a mournful day because we are leaving the portals of our dear alma mater, which cradled us when we were still young boys and girls, wanting to be involved in the daily school activities, searching for new discoveries and a lot more. The knowledge and skills you have taught us will be our armor and shield in facing the world that awaits us with head up high. My fellow graduates, let us bear in our mind a quote from Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Let us do our best to achieve what we want to achieve. Let us not only reach for the mountain top, let us reach for the stars. Let us spread our wings and fly high in achieving our dreams. In this regard, we are here to celebrate the graduation of an outstanding class, a distinguished class, a formidable class, a class brimming not only with knowledge, but with compassion and ambition. Once again, in behalf of the Salvang Elementary School, Class 2023-2024, I am proud to say thank you and welcome to our graduation. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Christopher J. U. Robles. Grisha Ace M. Sajan, with honors. Parents, Bumang Barangay and Mrs. Ruel A. Sajan. Charis Ayo Aldrich A. Caroma, with honors. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Aladdin R. Caroma. They will receive a bronze medal from Salbang Elementary School to be awarded by the school head, Mr. Joseph A. Salbang. They will also receive medal from SDM Dan B. Langaman Scholastic Award. We will request the representative to award the medal. They will also receive the National PTA Award, recipients of the National PTA Award are King Luis Jean R. Orsino, Rain Kristen Kylie Robles, and Grisha Ace M. Sajan. you also receive medal coming from Honorable Mayor Sheila A. Galano. Congratulations awardees, congratulations parents, and thank you donors. May we now listen to a congratulatory message coming from Municipal Mayor Honorable Sheila A. Galano.